Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Cuckoo Pressure Cooker. Multifunctional. Have one multi-cooker replace 8 small appliances: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, food warmer, yogurt maker, sous vide, and sauté pan to make a variety of different meals and to instantly free up countertop space. Efficient and smart. Features an LED screen complete with jog dial controls, adjustable temperature settings, a convenient delay timer, and a combo function that will automatically transition from sauté to any other cooking option. Premium quality. Includes a food-grade 304 stainless steel inner pot, designed for optimal and even heat distribution. Hamilton Beach Food Chopper. Built-in bowl scraper saves time. Quickly process ingredients without stopping to use a spatula. Simply move the scraper from side to side to scrape the bowl while the food processor is running or the power is off. No need to remove the lid. Slice, shred, chop, mix, and puree with 2 versatile attachments. The Hamilton Beach Food Processor gives you 5 processing functions and includes a stainless steel slicing shredding disc and chopping pureeing blade, so you can tackle every job with ease. Powerful 450-watt motor. Make healthy salads, homemade salsa, hearty acai bowls, and more. The 450-watt motor easily powers through the toughest ingredients. Olaboni smoothie blender. Powerful 6-leaves blade and strong 2200-watt motor. Olaboni Professional Blender with a motor which can run up to 38,000 RPM. It can blend ice, smoothies, ice cream, sauce, nuts, shakes, or baby food in seconds. 2200 milliliters large capacity. 80 watts capacity is perfect for entertaining guests at parties or making enough drinks for a big family. But it's advised that all the ingredients in the pitcher should not exceed 74 watts for better blending. Feeding lid and soundproof cover design. The design of removable lid allows to put additional ingredients from the hole on the top during blending, and the stick helps to blend ingredients through the feeding. Musum Rice Cooker. Easy to serve. Just through pressing the single push button, a one-touch operation, the cooker makes the cooked rice served quickly in a short time, as 19 mins for 2 cups uncooked rice. Time varies for different rice and rice amount, saving cooking time a lot. Capacity. Perfect cooking up to 3 cup uncooked. 6-cup cooked capacity, perfect for individual, growing family. Auto warmer. The cooker stops when the rice is ready and automatically switches to keep warm for more than 24 hours, maintaining the good taste of the cooked rice. Food grade guarantee. The inner pot features a ceramic non-stick coating, ensuring food grade safety. Accessories. This cooker includes a durable ceramic mandolin food slicer. Chopping and slicing vegetables made easy. Our upgraded vegetable chopper offers more than 10 ways to cut vegetables, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. 1. 4 slice settings, from extremely thin to 6 mm thick. 2. 2 julienne settings, from 2.2 mm to 5 mm thick. 3. 2 waffle modes. Better quality for lasting performance. We've addressed common issues with other graters, such as rusty blades and broken brackets. Our durable stainless steel blade and non-slip pad ensure long-lasting use. This sharp blade can smoothly cut potatoes, carrots, onions, tomatoes, cheese, cabbage, cucumber, etc. OXO Good Grips Aluminum Dish Rack. Rust-proof aluminum frame contains items and complements any kitchen decor. Unique plate holders hold plates and bowls upright. Divided utensil cup accommodates long-handled tools and is removable for easy unloading. Raised ridges keep items away from water for quick, efficient drying. Adjustable drain tray allows for positioning rack in any direction. Non-slip feet keep rack stable on countertops. Cutting board. Excellent quality. As one of the best cutting boards, this 304 stainless steel cutting board, from the metal cutting boards for kitchen category, offers unmatched durability. Designed as a large meat cutting board, it's ideal for handling raw meat, poultry, or vegetables. While minor scratches on the stainless cutting board surface are normal after use, its rust-resistant steel core ensures long-term reliability. Clear zoning. The double-sided cutting board features a wheat straw PP side with engraved zones for fruits, vegetables, and a stainless steel cutting board side for raw meat, wheat straw PP. With 10% increased thickness, this double-sided stainless steel cutting board is beneficial for clearly distinguishing the usage areas for raw meat and vegetables. It ensures safer meal prep. Saving time design. This steel chopping board for kitchen combines convenient to save cooking time functionality with a deep juice groove, holds 200 milliliters, and a built-in garlic grinder. The stainless cutting boards for kitchen side handles heavy-duty tasks, while the textured PP side grips ingredients. A meat cutting board and veggie prep station in one. It streamlines cooking. Chicken shredder. Upgraded chicken shredder. Compared with the old chicken shredder, we have changed the inner shred structure and strong anti-slip strip, more effective and saves time. We do not worry about sliding away from our kitchen desks again. The flower appearance design and the transparent lid add polka dots seem like a beautiful flower to bloom. Shredded meat in seconds. The meat machine built-in plastic teeth that cover the whole area, which can tightly clamp the food. The lid has extra spikes on the edge, which help meat gather the shredded meat in the middle, cutting it evenly. The tool is applied with an ergonomic handle and an anti-slip base, ensuring comfort and easy operation even during heavy use. These updated structure designs can make your cooking tasks more efficient. Vegetable peelers. Peelers for kitchen set include the 3-in-1 multifunctional Y vegetable peeler and I potato peelers. Upgrade precision stainless steel blades, stronger and sharper, smooth effortless peeling. Gank 3-in-1 vegetable peelers, standard blades, suitable for peeling hard peel. Serrated blade is more suitable for peeling soft fruit peel or smooth hard peel. As tomato apple peeler. Julienne peeler, Julienne carrot for make veggie salt have never been so simple. Lemon squeezer. Less effort, more juice. Get maximum juice out of lemons with this lemon squeezer that is easy on hands and requires just a gentle squeeze. It is designed with a grooved bowl that allows for maximum extraction. With a built-in strainer, this lime squeezer allows all the juice to pass through smoothly while catching the seeds and pulp. Save time and space. Having a glass of lemonade or making a delicious marinade takes just a few seconds.